similar to the Thriller in Manila. Honeys call me bigger, the condom filler. Whether it's stiff tongue or stiff dick, Biggie squeeze it to make shit fit. Now check this shit, I got the pack of Rough Riders in the back of the Pathfinder. You know the epilogue by James Todd Smith. I get swift with the lyrical gift. Hit you with the dick, make your kidney shift. Here we go, but I'm not domino. I got the funk flow to make your drawers drop slow. So recognize the dick size in these Carcanine jeans. I wear 13s, know what I mean? I fuck around and hit you with the Hennessy dick. Mess around and go blind, don't get to see shit. The next batter, here to shatter your blatter, it doesn't matter. Skinny or fat or light skinned or black, baby, I drop these. Boniqua mommy screaming, I poppy. I love it when they call me Big Pop, but I only smoke blunts if they roll prop. But look, I got ya caught up with the drunk flow. Fuck taekwondo, I told a fofo. For niggas getting mad cause they bitch chose me, a big black motherfucker with G. You see, all I do is separate the game from the truth. Big bang boots from the Bronx to Bolivia, getting physical like Olivia Newt. Tricks up my click dick all day with no trivia. So give me a bankroll and a bag of weed. I'm guaranteed to fuck until I nosebleed. Even if your new man's a certified Mac, you get that H-Town in you. You want that old thing back? B-I-double-G-I-E with some new R-U-L-E. Notorious, known for bustin' in your E-Y-E. Baby, baby, just know they love to hate me. How come you come, we coming back to maybe. How close we came to coming together is crazy. How come you and your sis make similar faces? When y'all coming, y'all be crying like I'm killing y'all bitches. I know there's a bigger picture than the camera rolling, cause I don't think y'all be knowing how this shit's unfolding. Back shots to the rear, got the Mac unloading. Gotta reload like every so often. Saying I got my swagger back, I'm looking like bitch, my swagger never left. Don't be so hard pressed to be impressed by these new rappers. They actors and the fact is, you want that old thing back.
What about a hit? What about a hit of your love? Start to shake with your hand. Will it ever click? Will it ever click? Are you a freak? You turn and face me. Maybe this time I'll choose. What about a hit? What about a hit of your love? Start to shake with your hand. Will it ever click? Will it ever click? Are you a freak? You turn and face me. Maybe this time I'll choose. What about a hit of your love? Start to shake with your hand. Will it ever click? Are you a freak? Maybe this time I'll choose. What about a hit of your love? Start to shake with your hand. What about a hit of your love? Save me. Save me.
So what, we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees. So what, we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Cause you know I'm high as fuck, young and wild and free. So what, I keep them rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Keep me some 501 jeans on and roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers. And smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking grade A.
You know what? It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my God, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, 4 blunts like Khalifa, put the wheat in the
So
chain.
what, we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees. So what, we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
And I don't even care, cause if me and my team in here, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell 'em, Mac.
Blowing everywhere we going, and now you knowin' when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up.
That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
From the ground up, pound up this Taylor gang. So turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I could probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a size project, me and Mac killed it.
THC, MAC, DEV, HD3, hi, it's me. This is us. We gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and live
So
our
what,
life.
we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees. Yeah, roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun. So we just roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun.
So up, we get drunk. So up, we smoke weed. We're just having fun, and we don't care who sees. So up, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
Hotter than the sun, burning me deep. Saying your name leaves me weak. Boy, I need you, my ghost. Standing in the dark, half in love with all I need, but it's not enough. You won't leave, my ghost. 'Cause I'm still holding on to your body. Still holding on to your body. I found another man, but you keep haunting me. And I'm still holding on to your body. Still holding on to your body. Whenever I open my eyes, it's you that I want to see.
Staring back at me, staring back at me. Whenever I open my eyes, it's you that I want to see. Holding on to my body, holding on to my body. I found another girl, but you keep haunting me.
I'm holding on to us. I'm holding on to us. I'm still connected to our love. Nothing will ever be enough. You got me holding on to us. You got me holding on to us. I'm still connected to our love. Nothing will ever be enough. Nothing feels the same since I found you. Everything changed, my heart got moved. Now I'm so far from home.
Standing in the dark, half in love with all I need, but it's not enough. You won't leave my ghost. 'Cause I'm still holding on to your body. Still holding on to your body.
Maybe I'll forget, maybe I won't. I'm stuck in the moments and so far from home. 'Cause loving nobody is breaking my heart, but you never know this, wherever you are. Well, maybe I don't give up easily, but I know this is hard to see. that I didn't know. But I wish time would slow down so I could keep your heart around. If I can't make you stay another day, I'll wait another day for what you would say if time would slow down so I could keep your heart around. If I can't make you stay another day, I'll wait another day for you.
Finally, I'm where I wanna be. I didn't think this life was gonna be for me. A love you gave me to discover was right here, but now I'm caught up in a dream, don't wanna leave. See, I ain't been one for wishing, not at all. When you least expect it's creeping up on you. No confiding nor biting to no rules. And now I'm content knowing that I'm here with you. Right here, you got me where you want me. Now I'm right here, waiting for your call. And now I'm right here, you got me where you want me. Now I'm right here, right here. Oh, 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 ah, 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 oh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Infatuation took a hold of my mind. I wouldn't change it for the world, now that you're mine. You played me hard to get for a while, still got me deeper every day with your smile. See, I ain't been one for wishing, not at all. When you least expect it's creeping up on you. No confiding nor biting to no rules. And now I'm content knowing that I'm here with you.